I'm gonna make a video titled "How to Make an Oil."
How to do an oil change. How to do an oil change on your Supra.
How do 4 guys change oil on a Supra?
This is what happens when you have four Supra dudes.
One guy filming, 3 jerking each other off, and the support guy on the phone.
Oh yeah.
God bless.
How 5 guys change oil in a Supra.
Never give up.
It took a while.
That took a long time. I passed out about it.
Now I know what those oil shops do.
Yeah. Oh,
That's why Elite takes 6 hours to do my oil.
Yeah. No wonder why they take so long.
30 minutes to an hour now?
I'm never gonna complain when they say like, yeah, it's gonna be like 2 hours.
Take your time. Take your time.
I'm like, I know what's going on.
When I brought my car in,
Now we need to get the pan from underneath.
are you ready for the, Alfred, are you ready for the roads on the way in? Oh, get ready. Get ready.
I'm gonna disappoint your father and just spill it all over this place. Oh, I grabbed the.
Rudy Road, I guess that's
You know, there's a thing called a handle, bro.
I know. It's right here. It's on the other side of the.
You just
the penis. Yeah.
you just really wanted to grab that, didn't you? Is that was the first.
Paused, I realized I grabbed it. And I said, you know what? He's filming. I'm gonna grab it.
Do it for the boys.
Yeah, there you go.
Grab it for the times, but I'll have your engine full of oil. Would you like to help me?
He's just recording.
We just like take like shots in there.
Oh, take turns? We're all gonna take turns? Okay, so instead of me passing out 100 times, we each pass out about 30.
25.
All right, can you shoot it in from here?
Yeah. Just aim it.
Shoot what in?
The oil.
The
Right
oil.
Right there, the oil. See it?
You never get an aftermarket turbo living here, dude. Like, I don't know how the fuck you other people do it. That's insane.
You mean me?
Or like, I guess, but I mean.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Yeah, we thought you were like he's already in.
No. Once you're like 5 minutes, once you're 5 minutes away, it turns into a hellhole.
Never coming up here again, on God. At least not in my car, bro. Definitely not in my car.
He's gonna take a Uber.
Yeah, you're gonna see a whole different world, my friend.
Oh my God. It can't be any worse than Richmond.
No, it's bad.
It's like,
I thought my car was gonna fall apart.
What the fuck?
Dude, when you're driving up, you're gonna go like side to side.
Drive it all willy-nilly.
Chris fixes here.
Oh, I'm almost at 30,000 miles.
Oh, it's going
I'm
fast.
at 29,328.
You're at
Give it the hot
329,000
tool in
miles?
there, dude. Gotta add that manpower in there.
Yep, stock engine with a top mount 6466.
You're gonna make like 40 pounds of boost once.
What? Yeah, that's all I need is one glory pass to make a 12-second quarter-mile run.
Alright, save this and leave it in your car. Just in case you burn oil in the next
Also,
200 miles.
I don't know if I'm using this term right. I think I bump steer.
You're gonna bump steer on the way here in the next 5 minutes.
did you win against the Tesla?
No, I just waved him off. I said, go away, and then he just fucking like.
Can you
Okay,
give me
just
one
throw
of you,
away.
the blue towel? That blue one that's over there.
Loser.
I need to make sure I need to get all the oil out of there. I'm gonna wring it. Jesus Christ. Can you?
That was a realistic shot.
Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord your dad wasn't even watching that. Because he was right in the window.
Yeah, you should do it again though.
Round two.
Darren's hidden talent is oh, he's licking his lips.
I mean, if you get a Supra, all the dudes are watching you.
You reach it?
Whoop, whoop.
What is this?
What's wrong with the roads?
I have to weave in and out. What the fuck is, bruh? Jesus Christ.
But they bought the concrete off of Temu, dude.
Oh my god. Oh god. What? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bro, I just live in the
Going
toge.
like fucking-
You just live in the dog.
No.
I
bro,
live-
You're gonna bump steer and crash.
I live in the Highway 9, bro.
Worse than Highway 9.
Oh my god, bruh. I'm going like, I'm legit going 20. Like, I'm. Okay, this is a nice section here. Okay, now it's okay.
Psych.
It's like, yeah, why do you have like a discount like Dragon's Tail, like where you live, bro? This is your commute home every day, bruh?
Yeah, bro.
You're crazy for this.
I mean, Darren saw how I did the autocross.
You should have came.
Yeah.
That was fun.
No, I'm like, what?
Do it on the autocross. Don't do it on the track.
No, definitely not autocross. Bro, what the fuck?
You heard that too, right? What's going on?
Oh, I hear him.
Is that you?
That's him.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna come outside and greet you.
Come outside.
Okay. Come.
How good is you? No, just come on.
I'm scared I'm gonna hit something. That's so narrow.
Dude, all of us fit.
I'm a shitty driver.
HKS guys, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, unless you're gonna park in the dirt. We got no room for you.
Because your door is not closed.
What? I'm gonna crash into something.
Hey, bro, don't crash the three.
We're gonna have to Tetris our way out of here.
I know.
Yeah, I
wonder
know.
How we're gonna get out? Because this is such a weird turn.
Well, he'll have to come out first.
Oh yeah, no, 100%.
We're at the reverse alley, I think.
Oh yeah.
Welcome, Alfred. Sup?
What's up, bro?
How you doing? How you doing?
How you doing? God bless. God bless.
I can't hear you.
Did you hear what he said?
No.
Something I love men.
I love. Yeah, no, it's very similar. Very similar.
Similar to I Love Men.
No roll cage, nothing. No seat. Checked it out.
Now I gotta go drop off the oil. Gotta rotate. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I love being in the center of attention right here.
Damn, this many people just for an oil change, huh?
Yeah. Wait, what do we need? Like a.
We're getting rid of Darren's old oil.
I love how comfortable I am right now.
Dude, just throw that shit in the ocean.
Yeah.
Go right straight down a storm drain.
Yeah. Environmentally friendly.
Is this correct? This is correct posture, right?
Oh yes.
My knees are in the glove box too.
Oh yeah.
So we get into an accident,
If we
I'm gonna
crash your
fold like a- I'm gonna
say
fold
goodbye
like
to
a-
your racing career.
I'm gonna fold like a fucking pretzel if we get into an accident. Oh, and we're on these roads too? Not
Oh yeah, we're cool.
Now,
oh, there goes my hat!
oh my god!
What the fuck?
No, my hat! You fucking goober!
No, I need my hat. Oh, my Valvoline hat. No, that was a terrible idea.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Bro almost got decapitated.
I know.
Here, I'll run out and grab it. Oh, I don't know. I was just having fun.
My hat! My poor Valvoline hat!
Oh, no, he's in the alley. Oh, shit.
Hurry. So you find the middle of the road. Oh my god, hurry! Here, I'll grab it.
All right, go. Look, they're even laughing at it.
They're like, weird as fuck. Sorry.
All right, I'm gonna do it again.
No!
My turn again.
That's the longest Home Depot run.
Oh my god.
God.
Well, we're supervising.
Yeah, we're supervising him giving the oil to O'Reilly. Thank you, sir.
Ladies first. Oh, it's one of these. These are really useful.
Oh.
Because these ratchet. They actually have a ratchet.